Myself Sheikh Farid from Dr. Muhammad Iqbal College, Ambajogai. I will teach you the first chapter, diversity in organism. Yesterday we will see 5 kingdom system of classification, in which we see the kingdom Monera first. There are 5 kingdoms: Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Yesterday we see the first kingdom Monera. Today we will see the kingdom Protista. So start the kingdom Protista. It is a unicellular organism. Monera included unicellular organism, like that Protista also are the unicellular organisms. These organisms are unicellular, eukaryotic and mostly aquatic, means mostly present in the water. However, some are terrestrial, means they grow on the earth also. They are either motile or non-motile, means some Protista have movements in there, but some Protista are non-motile, means they cannot move from one place to another place. The locomotory organs in the Protista are cilia, flagella, pseudopodia, etc. Suppose this is a cell organ, the cilia are present around the cell and flagella is present, one flagellate, monoflagellate, diflagellate or polyflagellate. Or pseudopodia, like amoeba have pseudopodia in it. Pseudopodia. Through pseudopodia they can move from one place to another place. The protists are with or without cell wall. The protists have with cell wall or without cell wall. If the cell wall is present, it is composed of cellulose. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, with cellulose or without cellulose. When the cell wall is present, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. They have membrane bound cell organelles. Membrane bound cell organelles such as mitochondria, chloroplast. Some are like this: mitochondria, chloroplast, ER means endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex or nucleus. Mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and nucleus are membrane bound cell organelles present in the Protista. These are membrane bound: mitochondria, in which respiration takes place; in chloroplast there is photosynthesis takes place; in endoplasmic reticulum they contain ribosomes or without ribosome. Golgi complex, they are also active in enzyme. Nucleus, in which the chromosome is present. The nucleus is well organized. It is a eukaryote, means Protista have a well organized nucleus, means they have nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and helical DNA with histone protein forming chromosome. Means the nucleus have all parts in it like this. They have distinct nuclear membrane, chromosome or chromatin network is present, nucleolus and nucleoplasm is present. So Protista is called as eukaryotic animals, means they contain nucleolus, well developed nucleus. They they show either photosynthetic, holozoic or saprophytic mode of nutrition, or some are parasitic in nature. Holozoic nutrition is the type of nutrition in which an organism takes the umbilic organic food material into the body by the process of ingestion. It is called as holozoic nutrition. They take food ingestion, the food material with liquid or solid food, they ingest in the form of complex organic food material. Saprophytes mean they grow on the dead and decay material, and they decompose the dead and decay material into the small pieces. Parasitic nutrition means they grow on the host and they take food from that. The reserve food material is in the form of glycogen or starch and fat. Next point is the reproduction is by asexual or sexual reproduction method. In Protista there are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and as well as sexual reproduction is present. Asexual reproduction occurs by mitotic or amitotic cell division. What is mean by mitotic and amitotic? Mitosis and amitosis. Mitosis and amitosis. There are two types of asexual reproductions occurs in the Protista. Mitosis means it is the one type of cell division in which cells are equally divided into two parts. Cells are divided into equally two parts, and chromatin network also divided into two equal parts. Amitosis means meganucleus of paramecium, foetal cells, endosperm cells, etc. exhibits this type of division. Here the nuclear membrane is retained throughout the division. The nucleus enlarges, elongated and divided directly. It is followed by cytokinesis leading to the formation of two daughter cells. Mitosis does not distribute the chromatin equally in the daughter cells. It may lead to structural and functional irregularities. So mitosis means there is no equal dividation of a cell, and mitosis means they have equal dividation of the cell and chromatin material. The another reproduction occurs in Protista is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is by fusion of male and female gametes forming zygote. The zygote directly develops into young individual without formation of an embryo. Sexual reproduction occurs through gametes. There are two gametes, male gamete and another is female gamete. Female gamete. They fuse to form a zygote and forms a new one or embryo, young individual without formation of a embryo. So these are the characteristics of Protista. But Protista may further distinguish or classified into three types, means plant-like protist, animal-like protist and fungi-like Protista. Plant-like protist, they are autotrophic or photosynthetic, have cellulosic cell wall and store reserve food as a starch. Examples are dinoflagellates and diatoms. Plant protist contains chloroplast, means these are photosynthetic. Plant-like protists produce their own food because of presence of chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in this, that's why they are autotrophs. For examples are dinoflagellates and diatoms. Animal-like protists. Animal-like protists means they are heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means they do not produce their own food. They are consumers. They depend on other animals. Ingest food, lack of cell wall and store reserve food as a glycogen. For example, amoeba and paramecium. We say amoeba is a animal like protista. They cannot produce their own food. They ingest food by holozoic type of nutrition. And third one is fungi like protist. They are saprophytic and lack cell wall. For example, slime mold. Saprophytic means they take food from the dead and decaying material. These fungi like protists are decomposers. They decompose an organism that feeds on dead organism. The waste material is called decomposers. So there are three types of protists: plant like protist, animal like protist and fungi like protist. Thus the kingdom Protista is a link between prokaryotic kingdom Monera and complex eukaryotic kingdom Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. This is the some information about the Protista. We will see another kingdom